All right, so here we are. Let's go through this coefficient restitution. Okay, now that looks scary. The height after equals the height before, divided by the height before, and then you take the square root of the whole thing. Well, let me show you how to do this. And one thing I'm kind of excited about this, because one thing that I've been remiss in doing, and one of your classmates said, hey, I'm having trouble reading or seeing when you are writing on this thing, because even though I've gone to full space here, when I write this, when we get the COR is equal to, now that's pretty small, is equal to the square root of the height after, especially when I start writing those little subscripts like that, equals the height before. Well, watch this. I forgot about this little trick that we can do that will make this much better. Whoop, that's a little overkill. But there we go. Now it's starting to, now that's a lot better, I think. There we go. That will help. And I'll write up here notes for lab 3. Okay. Now you can see this is height after many cups of coffee divided by the height before. Okay. So let's say we've got and it also is equal to the velocity or the speed after, let's go with speed divided by the speed before. That's another one. All right, and this comes from the derivation of the energy before equals the energy after equations. Okay, which we don't need to go into in this course. In my Physics 210 course, this would be a great thing for them to do. All right. So anyway, I just wanted to, so this is where we're getting started. All right, and let's go back to the slides here. Okay, I've got a little video there where you can watch the oh dear, I've gotten rid of that. I wish I had played this slide, but I couldn't find it, so I played that, but I couldn't find it, so I didn't do it. All right, so from current slide, here we go. Restitution of clay. All right, so let's say I drop clay from a height of 2 meters and it sticks to the ground. Blonk. Well, what's its height after? It's 0. What's 0 divided by anything? Should be 0. Right, so you got a little question like that in your pre-lab, okay, which I'm going to change. I'm going to make it a little bit longer. So you got a little bit more to compute here. Or you can take the height after equals the height before. Okay, so let's there we go. Coefficient of friction of flubber. Remember the old Flubber movie with Robin Williams? Well, see, I'm so old, I remember the Flubber movie with Fred McMurray. And it was terrible. I mean, I went back and watched some clips. Here, okay, I'm going to log out now and torture you all with the Fred McMurray Flubber.